We are a rumor. Recognizable only as déjà vu.
You look right here.
And dismissed just as quickly. We are the best kept secret in the galaxy.
I want in. 20 years ago, you erased my parents' memories, but you didn't get mine.
We don't hire, we recruit.
Then I'd like to be recruited. I want to know the truth of the universe.
Suit up. Welcome to the Men in Black.
The Men in Black?
Don't start. I'm working on it. We have a problem in London.
H&M, welcome to MIB.
Move it, lady. Top dog walking through.
You will be with Agent H.
Come on. World's not going to save itself.
I'm driving. That really should be here.
Oh, I love this country.
The hive is a deadly species that can take the form of anyone, even our own agents.
I haven't seen that before. We need more firepower. Side view mirror.
What do you want me to do? Throw it at them? Oh, wow.
Just point at the bad guys and pull the trigger.
Those are all the Men in Black.
Hey, you seeing this?
Sometimes you have to trust your gut. Yeah, baby! Joey?
I thought that we were here.
Step on it, would you, Freddy? You go to H. You know who you're dealing with. We protect the Earth.
Woohoo!
And everyone and everything on it.
That was awesome!
We are the Men in Black.
Are you suggesting that we try the most powerful weapon in the galaxy? For fun?
Yeah.
Press the button. Maybe turn it up a few notches.